Hi guys, I'm Phil Town from Rule 1 Investing, and today we're going to talk about millionaires. Not mega ultra rich multi-billionaires, no, but everyday, just like you, regular millionaires. So the average person thinks a millionaire is a really successful entrepreneur or an executive who kind of rakes in more money in an hour than you make in a year, right? And they envision millionaires in private jets flying to and from private islands. I guess some people still think that. I don't know. We all kind of know that the old millionaires aren't what they used to be, right? Maybe you're thinking of people who have a Lamborghini in their garage. They got a mansion in Malibu. You know, the truth is, and many of you already know this, that millionaires are pretty much regular people. There's a lot of them in America. And of course, there are the obviously mega rich millionaires and the billionaires and, you know, people who really rose quickly and want to spend their money and make sure that people can see their status and they've got it all out there for you to see. But the ordinary millionaire just doesn't really have that same outlook. I mean, the people that I know are millionaires recognize that reaching millionaire status is pretty achievable if you just do basically the right things. You're going to be a millionaire. Not that hard, you guys. There's a good chance that you probably interact with people who are millionaires on a regular basis. I mean, your neighbors might be millionaires, and you might not even be able to tell based on, you know, the stereotypical things that they're buying, like cars or clothing brands, that they've got a lot of money. You know, so what does it mean to be an ordinary millionaire? So an ordinary millionaire is a regular person with a regular job who just made smart financial decisions, typically involving saving some money and then investing it wisely right up to retirement. And don't be mistaken, millionaires in retirement are still millionaires. They're comfortable, they've got plenty of money, they're successful financially, and some of them are even happy. So I can hear you guys asking, if becoming a millionaire is so easy and attainable, then why do so few people accomplish it? All right, good question. So the answer is that becoming rich requires a very specific financial approach that most people just don't do. The biggest traits that almost all ordinary millionaires have in common is they know how to avoid unnecessary expenses, they know how to save the money that they earn, and most importantly, they know how to grow their wealth through proper investing. Anybody that wants to be a millionaire by the time they retire, this is pretty excellent news. You don't have to be born into wealth to become a millionaire. You don't have to invent the next great product. You don't have to make it to the NFL. All you got to do is just be smart with your money over the course of your life and take advantage of wise investment opportunities that are available to you. They're available to us all. They're right there in front of you. So here's a little fun fact, all right? Doing what it takes to become a millionaire doesn't even have to be a full-time job. In fact, for most people, it really isn't. You just simply set aside a little bit of time each day, a little bit of time each week. Focus on investing. That means you're going to buy something that's worth more than you pay for it and is going to be worth more than that in 10 years. That's the basics of real investing. You're going to take a little time. You're going to research your investing opportunities. So this could be a new company. It could be like looking at a piece of real estate, a piece of land. Could be looking at a farm. It could be a lot of different kinds of investments are out there. As long as you understand what you're buying, you're managing your finances, that's all that's required. Now, if you do this over the course of your life, okay, you do this over, let's say, 40 years of adult life, growing your wealth to $1 million is pretty much gonna happen. You can almost guarantee it's gonna happen. If you buy things for less than they're worth and they're going to be more valuable in 10 years, you are going to get rich if you just do that repeatedly. So being an ordinary millionaire, it's just maybe not as flashy, right? Or as extravagant as being some Silicon Valley ultra wealthy CEO, right? But it is something that's attainable for everybody, and it's something that everybody should aspire to reach, I think. You'll be able to live your life in comfort. You'll be able to always have money for the things that you enjoy. You're never going to worry about how, you're going to keep the lights on or something. And even better is having some money like this, or knowing you're going to get there by the time you retire, allows you the freedom to choose a life that you really want to live. A comfortable and worry-free retirement. It's so easily achievable, and it changes the way you live your entire life. If you knew, let's say you're 56 years old right now, and you knew you would be absolutely solid financially by the time you retired, making very little money, you could make very different choices in your life about what you did for a career. And there's no reason why you shouldn't make being that level of wealth in retirement absolutely your priority. Now, you guys, I'd love to hear from you. How much money do you need to stack up, do you think, by the time you retire? I'd like to see you leave a comment below with your answer, and I'll be sure to follow up with you. And thanks for watching. Now go play. Hey, if you enjoyed this video and you feel it was valuable teaching you more about, the basics of being a millionaire, hit the like button. Please share this video with your friends. And if you want more investing content, subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the button on the screen for a free gift. So thanks again for watching.